Okay. Hello out there. This is my second Learn Danish video at the beginning, so I'd suggest you took a look at the first one also, so you can learn some of the basic stuff from this video. Okay, and here you can see the Danish words for I am, you are, and so on. And in my first video we learned how to pronounce the first bit of this, so I think we should just start out roughly learning the last bit. It's quite useful words, so seems like a good idea. Okay, let's start with some sum up. I am is in Danish jeg er, and you are du er. He, she, it is han, hun, den, det er. And now it's new. We are is in Danish vi er. You are I er. Sounds a bit like the same, but there's vi er and I er. And then there's they are, which is de er. Notice how I said de. The E in de sounds like a Danish R, which is pretty tricky. You just gotta remember that. Let's try it again, and you try to follow me from the beginning. I'll just take the Danish word. So jeg er, du er, han, hun, den, det er, vi er, I er, remember that's a capital I, and de er. Lovely, and here we've got the alphabet, some of it at least, and this is the part I want you to learn today. I'm gonna say each letter 2 times, and then we'll take it again, where you hopefully will be able to join me in the saying of the letter. Okay, we've got an A, which is A, and B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, ooh, that's tricky, J, and a K, which is K, L, M, N. Let's take it fast now. Are you ready? Great. And you just repeat after me and so on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay, enough of that. Here we've got some sentences. You can see du er, han er, and hun er is the words we learned before with he, she, it is, blah blah blah. That shouldn't be so hard. And let's just put an adjective in the end. So that means it's the same word position as in English. This time, as we get further, you'll see that it does not keep being like that. And well, it's not so simple. It's not a piece of cake speaking Danish. For instance, we've got you are funny is in Danish du er sjov. That pretty much sounds like it's the way it's spelled, But then we get to you are cool, which is du er sej. Sej. The E in sej sounds like a Danish A. Oh. Then we go to he's beautiful, which is han er smuk. Smuk. The U in smuk sounds like the last letter in the Danish alphabet, which is Ö. We learned that in the first episode of this. So that's pretty tricky. Then we just go, she's ugly. Hun er grim. The I in grim, the I in grim sounds like an A, a Danish A. And even though the A in sej and the A in grim does not sound the same, they still both sound like a Danish A. So yeah. Okay, here we've got some run words. Run in Danish is løb. Run, go, you know. It's just løb. But when you say jeg løber, it's I run in Danish. In the I form of løb, you put E and R in the end in the Danish, and in the English you put no S or an S. I run, she runs. But in Danish, you always put E and R in the end, no matter if it's I, she, he, we, they, you. We're only talking about verbs, by the way. This is only rules for verbs. And here we just see we run, you run, they run, I run. And you can see it's still E and R in the end of løber. Vi løber. I løber. De løber. And jeg løber. Yeah, and here's some examples with the write. To write. At skrive is to write with an E in the end. That's the same with all verbs. To write, to run, you put an E. And then if it's I run, I write, then you put E and R. Or just an R. Okay, that was it. I'm gonna end this here. If you want me to make one more, I'll do that. And some suggestions for what you want to learn would be nice. So I have something to tell about. I was a little lost this time. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just not inspired enough. But yeah, be good. See ya.